Welcome to Jupiter Farms Elementary School in Jupiter, Florida. We're here to survey the existing electrical equipment in the facility's power distribution system. James Khalil and Q Sam, both electrical engineers, will be doing the survey as part of a renovation project to upgrade the school's existing mechanical equipment. They will use PowerCalc to document existing conditions and to automatically design any necessary changes for the upgrade. So here are James and Q.
We are here at Jupiter Farm Elementary School to investigate the electrical system for the facility, the entire facility. Part of the scope of work is to change all the mechanical equipment in the facility that takes care or be taking care of the chillers, air handling units, electric duct heaters, exhaust fans, and so forth. So comes with that all the electrical also need to be changed or be updated or upgraded. So we're entering the first electrical room here for building number 1. The site consists of about 7 or 8 buildings. So this is building number 1, and we're entering the electrical room. The reason we are doing that is to map the entire power distribution system in a building and take the information and put it back into PowerCalc, and PowerCalc will spit out all the pertinent information in terms of the overcurrent protection device, the branch circuit sizes, and the feeder sizes, and so forth. And then we'll come back again and verify all that information. So we're going to start looking at the panels, open one at a time, and verify all of these. As you can see here, this is the electrical room, which has, in addition to the electrical panel, 3 of them here. It has also the emergency panel, but the rest of them are the data and the telephone and the LAN system and the computer distribution system. So with that, we're going to start opening panels to see what's inside these panels.
James and Q are surveying all the electrical rooms in the 7 buildings on the school's campus, even the custodial closets. This information is used with PowerCalc to automatically design the specific electrical requirements for all the mechanical equipment, such as the overcurrent protection device, branch circuits, and voltage drop. We will use this information to determine if the new mechanical equipment being purchased is supported by the current electrical design. Otherwise, an electrical upgrade will also be necessary in addition to the mechanical renovation.
This is the electrical room for this little building. So it has all the cabinets for the data, the different systems on the telephone, the security, the TV, and the electrical panel boards. And this one is the older one, so a lot of the times they have the transformers more mounted up above. We want to find out all the equipment that's in here. Then we want to find if there's spaces for the new additions and for the equipment that we are going to replace. This is just the custodial closet. Usually it should be just housing the cleaning supplies, but sometimes when they run out of space, they put electrical panel boards in here. So we want to check to see if there's any panel boards. If we don't find anything, then that's a good thing.
And in a future video, we'll show you the results. We'll walk through the input of the information gathered in our survey into PowerCalc, and then we'll show you how PowerCalc's calculations are done to update the electrical design supporting the mechanical renovation.